So let us learn C function with parameters and return types. 4 different ways we can finish the program. So what we are going to cover? We will see 4 different types of function. Example, function with no arguments, no return type. Function with arguments, no return values. Function with no argument with return value. And function with argument, return values. Let us see the example now. First example, function with no parameter, no return value. This is simple function which perform addition of two numbers, number 1 10, number 2 20, 10 plus 20 equal to 30, and print the sum. That's it. So when I run the code, I get output as 30. Okay. So here this code is completely written in the function. Function name is add. So before that, we have to declare the function, and we have to define the function, and inside the void main we have to call the function. Okay, so num1 num2 values are 20 10, result equal to num1 plus num2, 10 plus 20 30, and print sum equal to result. And when I call add, okay, this add get replaced by this code, entire code. Okay, and I get the results. That result is 30. If you want me to show the output, I will show it now. Okay. Next code is function with parameter, no return value. So here I am passing two parameter x and y to this add function. This is the function definition, void add. As function do not have any return value, so its data type is void. So same function defined here, function definition, int xy, result equal to x plus y, and print result, sum equal to result. And here we are passing this int num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to 20. I can take dynamic input also from user, and I call this. So what I do, I just copy this code. Okay, and I just go to this website pytutor.com, pythontutor.com. I paste it here. Let us run the code. This is the same code. Okay, go to the next. Now here num1 num2 10 20. Initially num1 num2 there were no values assigned, but when we execute this statement, num1 assigned to 10, num2 assigned to 20. Now add num1 num2. So num1 get copied in x, num2 get copied in y. Next, now num1 will be copied in x, num1 10 value get copied in x, 20 value get copied in y. And this is the function add, add. This is we are inside the function add. Next we get the result, that is 30. And print result, now I get value 30 here, sum equal to 30. So in this way we got the output sum equal to 30 in function with parameter and no return value. Next is function with no parameter and return type. Yes, no parameter, we are not passing anything, but return type exists. So int return type exists, function name add, no parameter. So here we declare the input to be passed here, num1 num2 10 20, result equal to num1 plus num2, return result, as it return the result when I call the function, save it in total, int total equal to add, and print total. Let us run the code and see the output 30. What I do, I just copy all, I go to this website one more time, and I just control A, control V, and run the code. And you can check here, total initially is blank. Okay, total equal to add. Now here add get called because here it return the integer. That value is stored in total, TOTA. Next. Now this add is there, is the main function. This add function there which accept three parameters num1 num2 with the result. Next, now what happened? 10 assigned to num1, 20 assigned to num2. Result equal 30, and here finally you get the result. That is assigned to total. Total equal to third and assigned to total, and in this way you get the sum. Sum is 30. Okay. And last example is function with parameter and return type. In this we are passing the parameter to the function. We are returning also. So here same example we are continuing. So we are declaring the function here, function definition here. Okay. Same code is there and function call is there. We assign num1 equal to 10, num2 20, and here just call the function in total equal to add num1 num2, and here this total get printed in the main. So when I run the code, okay, I get 30. If I copy the code, if I paste the code here, see the output, same output is there. Major education, you can see num1 num2 total. This is num1 num2 total of this main. This is the main program. Num1 num2 total. Next, next, next. Now, as this is the main program, this main is the program, main, I get main. I am jumping to this add function, add. So here function is add, x parameter, y parameter, result. So what will happen now? This num1 will be copied in x, num2, this num2 will be copied in y. So go to next. You can see num1 10 copied in x, 20 copied in y. Next, I get result 30 and print the result back. That's it. Okay, you see the result. So in this way, in this code, we have seen 4 types of code. What are 4 types? Function with no parameter, no return type. Function with parameter, no return value. Function with no parameter and return type, and function with parameter and return type. It's very important code. Do not forget. Write the code in your notebook without copying the code. Type the code one more time without copying the code. In this way, again you type the code without copying the code next time, and write the code also. So if you practice in this way, you can easily master in the C language. Thank you. And please do refer the channel, forward this video to all your friends.